Alright, in one of our previous videos, I showed you guys how to make Central Texas style smoked brisket on our Yoder Wire 640. So I've got a little of that brisket left over, so I'm going to show you guys a fantastic barbecue appetizer that you can make out of that leftover brisket. We're talking Texas Twinkies. Let's get into it. Alright, as I said, we're going to work on what we call Texas Twinkies, and that's just a little appetizer. If you're familiar with ABTs, it's kind of a spin on that. We're going to have some jalapenos in it. We're going to have some leftover brisket. We're going to have some cream cheese, and we're going to season up that cream cheese with our NTBA, that's North Texas Barbecue Addicts smoke shake. We're going to season that cream cheese up with it. We're going to stuff it into our peppers, stuff it with some brisket, wrap it in bacon, get it on our Yoder. We're going to smoke it away. So you know what? Let's start to construct these right now. Alright guys, so the first step that we're going to do to get these Texas Twinkies assembled is we got our jalapenos here. We're going to go ahead and cut the tops off of these. And you see all these seeds and membranes in here. Well, we're going to go ahead and get them all out of here, just like this. Okay, so now that we got most of this stuff out of here, we're going to go ahead and just cut it in half. And then we're ready to assemble it. So I've got some more jalapenos I'm going to do, so let me get those chopped up and I'll bring you right back after that. Alright, so here we are. We got all of our jalapenos cut. We got them cored, cut in half. Now we're going to work on getting our cream cheese put together. And basically I've got some softened cream cheese here that we're going to be seasoning with our North Texas Barbecue Addicts smoke shake. This is an all-purpose smoke shake that we're going to put in here. So we're going to pop the top on this thing, sprinkle a little bit in here. We're going to go ahead and mix this up. Okay, so there we have our cream cheese seasoned up with that NTBA smoke shake. So we're going to go ahead and get these things assembled. Alright, so now we've got everything ready to go, so we're going to go ahead and assemble one. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this regular cut bacon here that we have, some store-bought bacon. We're going to get a jalapeno slice here, and we're going to put some of our cream cheese mixture into it, just like this. If you guys remember making ABTs, this is very similar to that, but instead we're using brisket. So got some brisket here. We're going to put some brisket in there, and you can load it up as much as you want. And then we're just going to wrap it up in this bacon, guys. Just like that, okay? So tell you what I'm going to do is I'm going to do one more for you. Jalapeno, our cream cheese. Got some brisket, and we wrap it up. Alright, just like that. So I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of these guys wrapped up, and I'll bring you right back. Alright, so now we've got all of our Texas Twinkies assembled. We've got them on our baking sheet with our rack. And now we're going to go ahead and put some more of that NTBA seasoning right over top of them. And now they're ready for the grill. Alright guys, we're here at our Yoder Wire 640. We got this thing fired up with post oak pellets. We're rolling at 275 today, and we're gonna go ahead and get these Texas Twinkies put on, so let's get them on the pit. Alright guys, so hey, we're about 60-70 minutes into this cook, so just slightly over an hour, and we're going to go ahead and take a look at these Texas Twinkies and see if they're ready. So what we're going to look for here is we're looking for the bacon to be to the doneness that we like. Sometimes I like it crispy, sometimes I don't. If the bacon looks good to me, we'll go ahead and pull them off, but let's go ahead and take a look at these Texas Twinkies on the Yoder. Let's go. Alright guys, so we got our Texas Twinkies here, and I've got a little bit of a raspberry chipotle jam that I'm going to dip these Twinkies into. But before I taste them on camera for you, hey, if you're into the barbecue entertainment type thing, you might want to check out a couple of these other videos I have over here. And I'm going to see you guys in the next video.